What's up, guys? Today's video, we're gonna be checking out the subway.
Yes! Oh my.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so if you're unknown capital, you're gonna wanna come over here, press this button, go over to this one,
Help me.
go to Mountain Pass.
Why does everyone kill the rats for? I don't know why everyone kills the rats.
For beans.
The subway's open, I can get my job. Oh yeah, I guess it is a subway. I'm not sure if I said that. It's a subway. There's rats. Infested rats. Is there a tech lab here? Because it looks like it would have like an interesting tech lab. Wait. We will go check that out later. Because I'm looking for right now. Oh, there's nothing over here.
Are you fighting rats? Why are rats in this game?
Because they're in the game.
Looks
like there's a lot of places to explore.
2 gold? I mean 2 silver? I mean that's a lot of silver.
But these are gonna get you beans. They're all quite strong. I want butt coins.
He doesn't drop any of those.
No, I mean like any gold bars or something.
Wait, what's in here?
Over here.
Oh wait, there's a gold bar. Guys, behind you.
Seriously? In here.
Everyone get out spears.
Where's the rat king? Is this the spawner for a rat king?
Yeah, I know. He's gonna spawn soon. No, everyone get off of his chair. He needs
Guys,
room
get
to
off
spawn.
the chair.
My friend did not listen to that, and everyone in the lobby was just punching him.
Okay, guys, watch out. I'm trying to... Guys, rat!
Gold. Yes! Gold!
Oh, yes! What's gold do? What's the gold
It'll
for?
give you 20 buck coins.
It's for the quest.
20 buck
Wait, what
coins?
quest?
For the weekly quest. Yeah, they're worth 20 buck coins.
Yo!
Okay,
What the freak?
I'm leaving.
Why is
Wait,
there
how long does it
that?
take for him to
Get down.
respawn?
Not that long.
Like a minute or something?
Yeah, it takes like 1 minute.
Ah.
Like, so you can refill on cotton before he respawns.
Oh, but that's probably a good thing.
Are there any rat brothers here? Yo, there's a rat brother! Rat brother, where are you? Rat brother! We have to go beat the enemy king. We have to go fight the enemy king.
Yeah.
Rat brother, I'm creating a rat army. Join rat army. I am creating a rat army.
Where do I put...
Yo, silver.
I missed
Did
it.
he die?
Yeah, he got he only dropped silver this time. Where'd
Oh,
my silver
dang
go?
it.
I still want silver.
Okay, I'm gonna restart.
Is there a merchant
Yeah.
here?
No. You have to take this to Mountain Pass and back. Wait, Rat. General Rat is. General. So basically, I'm trying to fight the enemy king here. And once I'm done with this, I fill up this bag right here, I can join your rat army.
Rat! Get ratted!
Okay, I'm ready.
No, that didn't do it.
I'm ready. Like that. Oh, dang it. So once the rat spawns, kill it. What did I get? Beans.
Nothing. You got anything?
Only one person got silver.
Oh my god, it's 60 from that.
He only dropped beans.
Someone got silver from that.
What? No. Everyone gets the same prize. That was the prize from last fight. Once we see the rat, we have to kill it. And stab it. And kill it again.
We have to do the move.
Hey. Who stole that from me? You.
What'd I do?
I thought you were the one who stole it from me.
So what? You physically can't steal anything.
You stole my spear. I thought.
I did not.
I know.
What?
Stop launching that in here.
Guys in a room.
Who's launching that? Stop
50
launching.
guys in a room waiting for this one guy to reappear. Come on, I want to kill you.
What this goofy guy will spawn.
We're just all sitting
Get
here
out of the
waiting.
way. Get out of the way.
Yeah, no, get out of the way of the spawning.
Yo, stop.
We're just camping this guy.
Get back.
We killed it.
Down. We need to say
Robot Riper? What is that
fall
supposed
back.
to mean?
I don't know. It's supposed to be Robot Reaper.
Oh,
But then like a
But when this
typo
guy
or something
respawn?
happened.
you forgot the A.
Yeah. I forgot the A.
And added
I
another
just
P
kept it
instead.
like this.
Yep, get off the platform. Maybe that's what it is. Yo, I knew it!
I like how we
He's
just
dead!
spawn
He's
camped
dead!
him.
We're all
He's
just going
dead.
at him
He's
for
dead.
awful
I like how we just spawned camped him.
I like how it didn't give me anything. Oh, there's my bar.
He dropped everyone 1 copper.
I couldn't find mine.
I know. It might have clipped through somewhere.
Guess it's gonna be pretty hard to explore this map, I guess. Oh no,
I'll be on
I'm
the
scared.
top this time.
Is there a tech web in this map at least? Guess there's nothing in there. But in here. There sadly isn't a merchant here, which kind of sucks because a merchant would be actually so useful. Alright, I could go back in there and place another bag.
Big rat is too thick. Maybe Big Rat is around here. He probably spawned already.
Are y'all just sitting here waiting for the Rat King?
I don't know when this little
How long has it been?
I bet you when I'm gonna play with you when does it spawn? When does the rat?
It spawns like once every 2
every-
minutes.
I know. It's been like 10.
Silver's very nice. Very nice.
Oh, it's a little great.
The rat does
It's
not
spawn
spawn
every
every
like 1-2 minutes.
Oh, my bad. Silver.
It spawned like every 10 minutes.
I'm gonna go look for him.
How do I get to facility?
Wait, where's the new map?
This is the new map.
Hey.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is the Rat King.
Yep,
Oh,
this way.
so
This
Down
way.
here. Down here.
I know, but like he won't spawn.
Guys, I see the rat king. I see the rat king. Oh my god, I see the rat king.
It's such a lie.
I say you're front of class, dude.
The silver into sack. I took it and threw it on the
I'm
ground.
bigger than you.
I just ran the system, threw it on the ground. There's nothing in here. This ain't my dad. This is a cell phone, so I took it and threw it on the ground.
Wow. Hey,
Where's this rat king?
Bro, there you are.
Hey.
Yeah, keep saying you're in front of class. Why?
I'll send you.
Yeah. Stop.
Someone's cooking food.
Look for buckling stash. So if I was a buckling stash, I would be near stairs. Honest to gosh, I know these dabs like they're nothing.
I would be up the stairs.
There isn't any buckling stashes in here, I don't think. Because if there was, people would have.
No buckling. And the devs
What?
put out a buckling stash, I would punch this guy for money. Calm down.
Okay, so I don't think this server has.
Go down the
A rat king
stairs.
for some
Break
reason.
your ankles.
Just don't think that there is.
Down the stairs?
Like, is one like there probably is one, just
What do we do to the
don't know where he is.
No, you can't go back
So-
up to your family.
Guys, we're gonna be going to Subway again. Let's do it.
Ow. You're fighting me. Fighting. Resisting. Yay. I hear. Oh, this guy is resisting.
My all dogs.
Oh, look at me.
Yo, I have a bomb.
Oh, look at the way. Where's the new map?
Where, please?
Here's your subway. Guys, I think I got waybeams. The rat bit me.
Only if I murder you.
I think you eat tankies for life, bro. I think your main student force is Twinkies.
Yo, who knows where I could bust
Oh my God! The Rat King! The Rat King!
Die.
It's the Rat King!
Oh, the Rat King! The Rat King!
I want to kill him too.
Why do you? Oh,
We all pitched in. Ow.
He scared me. I heard the thing click, so I looked beside him and he was right there.
What does the Rat King do to us, man?
It gives
Stop
us
slicing
like good loot. Or like blue.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's go, good boy.
Can we summon him? Ow.
No, he spawns like every 1 or 2
I
minutes.
can't be beat up by a rat.
He spawns with.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you decaf, buddy boy. Tim. Oh, here. Do you think we can go to a different map and border this?
Yeah,
Let's hunt some goblins. Yo, meet me
Or
at
actually-
the snow village.
Actually, should we go to Frost Ball?
You
Like,
coming from? I'm coming from over here.
Why are there
I'm
mice?
just gonna go to the
Coming from.
the goblin.
This is my kingdom.
No, I'll just walk there.
You scared me.
Rat King!
Oh, big mouse, big mouse, big mouse, big Ricky rat, big mouse,
Ricky
Ricky
rat.
rat. Boom! Who's rat's dad?
Oh, I'm
Whip
sorry,
Rat's
little
dad.
guy. Was that your father?
No, that was Whip Rat's dad.
Whip
These are
rats?
Whip Rat's. Yeah,
Would you
Whip
call
Rat's
him
dad.
Lip Rat?
Yeah, that's Whip Rat's dad.
This is Whip Rat's Whip Rat's brother.
Okay, we're gonna go give this guy, give our loot to the merchant. And we're gonna see what the other map is.
Whoa, I'm gonna go quick, like, you guys please get out of my way while I'm trying to go down. I already talked about it. I'm gonna go down. There was no flowers. There was so much to build.
Sick, I'm getting 40 buck coins.
Don't worry. Oh, there's no clouds over here. You gotta make clouds have spots.
Damn, now we're gonna go see what the other map is.
Trying to find a place. Oh, trying to place to civilize.
Let me get a sword. Let me have.
Gnocchi.
It's no.
Oh my god, this is the map I kept seeing.
Oh my gosh, where is?
What the?
Hey you!
freaking-
Can someone help me
are
get
these actually
uranium,
dry
please? How do you get uranium?
There's
What the hell's
uranium?
uranium?
Wait, what's for you? Wait, what does it look like?
Hey you! Hey
Can I
you!
drive this?
Crunching on my bar.
I want to do this.
You can't.
Driving in my
Yeah,
car.
guys, crunching
Straight
on
up
my bar.
beer.
Right
Hey,
after a
boom,
bar.
Can someone help me
like
get
a
uranium?
Crunching
Hey, you.
on my bar.
Hey, you.
Crunch, crunch,
Minty
crunch.
Does anyone know
What the
where?
heck?
Guys,
No.
does anyone
not
know where? Does anyone know where
Hey,
the?
bicycle.
Does any?
Does anyone know where to get their uranium?
There's a merchant here
Hi,
all the
Is
time.
there any bosses in here? Wait, can you show me
I
where
remember
sewers
you.
is?
You
No, can
remember
show
me?
me the sewers?
Where?
Yeah.
How did you get here?
I need cotton.
How did you get here?
Selling Legos?
How did you get here?
Oh, wait.
Sorry, I can't help you right now. 30
There.
seconds, I'm on straight. I'm
This
not
is
sure
where
what this
the
guy
boss
sells,
is.
but it looks like he's selling Lego.
I need like a
Lego.
weapon.
Nice thing that
Even
is.
here. We need to get here to get uranium.
Hey you. Hey you.
Yeah, uranium.
Try
Does
again,
anyone know?
being
Hey
buds
you.
in.
Hey you. Hey you.
Should
Gorilla
add
guy.
being
Wait,
buds.
how do you friend in this game?
Gorilla guy. Gorilla guy.
Sell my things in here.
Hey, hey,
Where do you sell?
hey! I need help finding where fantasy
friend
is.
you.
Where's fantasy? Where is fantasy?
Where can I sell my stuff? I have a bunch of gold.
Is there? Oh,
Someone's out there, so it's a new thing.
There has to be a seller somewhere.
So,
that my bar?
driving in my car. Great.
Is that big? Oh, that's big.
Oh,
I just found a gold book.
there's key.
Nah, it's
Watch
a
one of
red.
these be a book and such. Okay, so after we're done exploring this map, I guess we're gonna go explore
Like that,
the
bro.
other map.
But when you're big, can't. Crap, I'm running 2
Okay.
milliseconds late and my boss is gonna kill me. I'm gonna make that 3 milliseconds.
Ching! Oh, oh, it's a restaurant. Oh,
Show. I need to go here to the monster thing. I don't know why it's a monster.
oh, this is an RC store. Oh, yeah, RCs.
Oh, bro. Oh, for a second, something looked hurt.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. I looked
It's an RC track.
a little over 5,000. And it's so close. The color looks so close to the white color that you can see that's for nothing.
He doesn't
And
have
it
any.
made me feel like,
You do? Do you?
like, just let me make it 6,000.
Some potholes the city needs to get their taxpayers in order.
Right here, bro. This guy says, welcome to the city. If you find any
Oh, is this
tasty
basketball?
crab, please let me know. I found one. I'm
Why do I have
looking
to pay for a
at the crab.
basketball? I mean, at least I can get on my own free basketballs. I suck at this. I'm gonna dunk 33. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, 3, 2, ooh, 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 boom! And the crowd goes wild.
I'm helping the world.
It's my worst nightmare. A job.
I'm helping the world.
Oh, it's an office job. Lock in, lock in, lock in. This one looks like.
Oh, I'm going in here once I hear this.
What do these guys have to say? There's 18 more hours till break. No, I'm not who. You think I am. It's a common name, I swear. You guys don't know who Nathan is? You should probably know who he is. Okay, there's no guys in here. Okay, so I'm not sure what this yellow key does. If I've visited this yellow building, I have, but I haven't been up here. There's nothing up here. Okay, what does this yellow key do? What does the yellow key do?
Come with me. Bro, what song is this, bro? Get to the top floor.
Where?
Come with me. Maybe. You're walking home. Be patient.
Stop hitting me, I'll help you. Stop hitting me, I'll help you.
Oh, hey there. I don't break anything.
Tally ho.
Why is he so mean?
Oh, this is you. I think you should stop that, pal.
Oh.
That hurt. Stop it. Stupid. Oh, so you want to run? Oh, all right. You gonna fight like that? Wow. All right, then. All right. Don't fight like that.
Do it.
You would be so proud.
Where's my weapon?
Come back here. Come back here.
No.
Come back here.
Where did it go?
Then fight me like a man.
Can I use the rest?
Come on. Aren't you on?
Rocker?
Where is the board to tell me where I'm at? I'm Spider-Man. I'm gonna save the day. Is there King Kong?
Stop.
Wait, where's the board to tell me where I'm at?
Wait, where do you get the?
You.
Where do you get the,
You,
the
mister. Do you
bees?
know
Where do you get the
where,
space?
Guys, no one come
Where
over
the
here. No
cellar
one
is?
come over here. I'm
You
putting
get
all my
them at
cash in this
fancy.
cart.
Fancy
There is a
Pepper.
teller.
Okay.
I gotta go to Snow Village.
Guys,
and
and
then
we're going
have
to
that
build
stuff.
that other map that we saw.
Budget. I'm a criminal. You're a Marvel.
Ba, 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 ba. No way.
Wait, this is literally Starter House. With all the normal
I've missed
gnomes.
this place. Even though it only left like a couple days ago.
Dude, it's literally Starter
Wait, do you
House.
think there's buckrons in here?
Hello.
Starter house, I missed you. Oh, I missed this map. We'll try. I only need a couple. I'll get the suburb name. Let's go.
Are you on separate? I see him. This is the gnome.
Why?
Court.
Because you're not talking.
You're under federal arrest for harassing a fellow gnome. I found Nathan! So this is just so come to here.
Mm.
Wall. I used to
Wait, can I have this? Wait, who wants this? The spear? Wait, who wants the spear?
Why
am I not getting that far?
There's mini rats coming.
Bro, there's
Like
so
a
many
swarm
rats under the map.
Yes, not bad protection. Thank
Guys,
you.
they should have added like a squirrel that shoots nuts. Big
I'm
nuts.
invincible.
Wait, can I have a spear?
Nah, bro. There's too many people here.
It died.
Guys,
You
some
guys-
people need to leave.
My
Get in,
sword.
leave.
I'm
We've been here longer.
You know we
Bro,
can also
stop
hit
hitting
it.
me.
Doesn't matter how
I'm
long
leaving.
you've been here. We're allowed to come.
Peace chat. The last time
I'm just
How much do you
saying.
want?
the Rat
One or
King
two?
is just getting ganged up on constantly, like just getting spawn camped. It's so sad. Hey yo, this is actually kind of comfy.
Yes, people are
like,
leaving.
Right here.
Guys, we could actually get something. We can actually get items now.
It doesn't matter how many people there are. The last one,
Actually,
one of
it
the ones I
does.
was in, had like this room was fully filled, and I still got gold.
Disconnected. Imagine if the Rat King just spawned right now.
No, imagine it's
That
spawn right now. Oh, I got it!
You called it. I want
Guys,
that jump.
you need to
called
leave.
it.
I'll be right back.
He's in second place because he called it second.
No, you didn't call it. He
Alright,
called
I'm
it
back.
on the stop.
Imagine if the Rat King just spawned right now. 3, 2, 1, spawned. And then he said
I called it though.
Okay, it's a working clock. Wait, did it actually tick? Oh, it actually ticks. Yeah. I'm also going to show you guys where one more map is. I'm not sure if it's still here, but I just saw like a video on it, so I just want to show you guys. How long would it take for this thing to load? Thank you.
I just came out of a beer and I had that.
So there typically around here that looks weird.
Shut up!
That's Blue House. Yeah, Blue House.
This is fun! At least that was fun.
You did juke me. though.
Everybody else in here. Boy, mate. Would that ever put go? That's a person. That's a person. Records back on track.
Who's here? Here's gonna be it.
Yo, is there any new bounties going around? I'm hunting for some.
That guy has a bounty for $0.00.
I'm gonna go.
That's
Well, it's actually
bad.
$0.01, but that guy has a bounty. That guy has a bounty for $0.01.
Not worth it. Not worth
I'm
it.
changing the price up to $10.
You meant 10 buck coins, right?
$10 can get you 1,000 buck coins. Oh my god.
What?
Never mind. Hey,
I'm just trying to get some money. Okay?
I got this.
I need bounties.
How did you not see me?
Y'all are gonna have to try and tag us.
Yeah, you guys have to come and tag us.
Oh my, tag us. That's why I threw the smoke bomb. Come on.
Behind you. Hey, I'm in the attic.
Blue house.
I'm in the attic. Come get me. Behind you. Go back this way and then you'll see me. Go back through the window. Go back through the window and you see me.
Daddy. I'm not
Why are you coming for me?
I got the bundle. It's gonna go away.
The kid begging his parents for the bundle. I mean, I cannot be talking.
Oh my
Oh my god!
Blue house
It's
is dead.
Blue House! It's Blue House! No
We're
way!
starting to get
At some
quite a
point,
bit of people here.
stop music.
Does anybody know what the buck coins are?
There's no buck ones in this. In here.
Are there buck coin stashes in here?
No.
Really? Why? I need buck coin.
Okay.
I need buck coins to buy loot sacks. Wow, they made this game look so open universe.
Behind you. a window.
Ender pearl. Teleports you wherever you throw it.
I win.
Ender pearl.
Freeze me again, I dare you. Freeze me again.
Ender pearl.
You can't freeze me. I'm unfreezable. I'm unfreezable.
And I'm invincible.
I'm invincible, lady. I'm unchaseable, lady. I'm unchaseable. Sheldon Humphrey? Oh, thick.
Ender pearl. Wrong thing. Kaboom! There goes your
Ice
power.
pearl.
Watch it crumble. Feel the power.
Feel the power. Feel the power. Watch it come.
Go for it.
This guy like hates being it.
This kid is stupider than me.
Did bro not see me? Feel the power. Watch it come.
Still stupid. I'm gonna throw one of these on them when I hide.
I need to get
One so
caught.
you can throw it on them. Wait, no, buddy. You want one of these? We can give it to you.
Yes, please. I need cotton real bad.
I lost my tooth, that's why. What? You can't just go down there and get it. You lost your voice changer, buddy?
Nothing really changed.
I hope you get puberty one day so we can play. Come on, I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl.
Chat, I might be cooked.
Even though that's not for me. Boo. I'm upstairs. No. Oh shit.
Oh. Okay.
I thought you guys were supposed to get me next. No.
Hey, I'm over here. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. I got stuck and you were like right here, so I didn't know where to go.
It goes everywhere. Hello, are you starter? No! Have underwear on. What about you? No! Okay, Pet. Come on. Stop. Giving out name tags.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'd very much appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe and comment on the video.
Would you like a name
Bye
tag?
bye.